Welcome inside this colossal facility, a modern testament to precision engineering, where a seemingly simple snack is manufactured at a truly dizzying speed. We're about to peel back the curtain and reveal the complex, highly automated journey of the perfectly curved, saddle-shaped potato chip known globally as the Pringle. This mega factory operation begins not with whole potatoes, but with colossal silos
Confirmed.
holding
The
vast
transfer
mountains
is
of
running
dried processed
smoothly.
potato flakes sourced from specific farms. This
Control,
specific
this is
ingredient
Sector
choice
Gamma.
guarantees flavor consistency across
We have
every single
reached
batch
maximum
and
throughput
every
with
single
the new
production run
catalyst
coming off
batch.
the enormous assembly line. Massive pneumatic tubes then utilize high-velocity air pressure to transport the dry, finely milled powder across the immense factory floor ready for the next phase. Thousands of pounds of this foundational potato flour are continuously being moved through the sealing infrastructure every single hour of continuous operation. Next, specialized food-grade metering machines introduce filtered water and a proprietary blend of precisely measured secret seasoning and essential ingredients. These industrial mixers, spanning several stories high, agitate the dense contents with incredible mechanical force until a thick, uniform dough is expertly achieved. The modern machinery's sheer capacity is staggering, kneading the dough in massive stainless steel vats that are continuously cycling through the entire day. The resulting dense, sticky potato-based dough mass is then channeled onto the first of many high-precision synchronized conveyor belts moving at a blur. This uniform dough then encounters an extremely sophisticated set of heavy-duty, high-volume rolling presses capable of maintaining micron-level thickness. The colossal rolling presses expertly flatten the thick potato mixture into an impossibly thin, perfectly smooth, continuous sheet of pristine, starchy material. Maintaining this consistent, paper-thin gauge across the entire continuous web of dough is absolutely critical for the final snack's signature crisp texture. This is where the truly unique design process begins, transforming a flat sheet into the globally recognized saddle-shaped hyperbolic paraboloid form. An array of high-speed, razor-sharp die cutters descends rapidly onto the moving dough, instantaneously punching out hundreds of oval shapes in a single moment. The sheer pace of this cutting process is mesmerizing, turning the sheet into individual potential chips at a speed almost too fast for the human eye to track. Thousands upon thousands of these small, flat pre-chip ovals are generated per minute, demonstrating the massive scale of the manufacturing process unfolding now. The surrounding excess dough material, known as trim, is not wasted but is instantly recycled, efficiently gathered, and immediately channeled back to the mixers. This closed-loop resource management system minimizes waste and maximizes product output, highlighting the enormous efficiency of this state-of-the-art facility. The now separated flat potato ovals must maintain their perfect shape as they are swiftly transferred onto specialized individual shaping molds for the next step. Each small, flat dough piece is gently loaded into a precisely curved metal cradle designed to define the iconic, structurally sound Pringles shape permanently. These individualized molds are arranged in dizzyingly long trains, moving rapidly toward the most critical step, the specialized high-temperature deep frying operation. Unlike traditional chips, Pringles are quickly fried while held in their perfect shape, preventing any curling or unwanted deformation during the intense thermal process. They are submerged into vast pools of extremely hot, continuously filtered vegetable oil that stretches out for what feels like a literal industrial football field. The chips spend only a matter of seconds in the oil bath, an exact timing, critical for achieving that light, shatteringly crisp texture that consumers expect. Massive industrial screens continuously monitor the oil temperature, ensuring perfect thermal consistency across the entire immense volume of the specialized fryer. After the quick, uniform frying, the now golden, perfectly curved chips emerge from the hot oil and are immediately lifted out by mechanical synchronized rakes. The chips are now rapidly carried up a conveyor system, passing through a cooling zone where ambient factory air quickly drops their internal temperature for stability. Any residual surface oil must be expertly removed at this stage, preventing any unwanted greasiness and preparing the snack for the intense flavor application. They swiftly enter the seasoning drum's gigantic rotating stainless steel cylinders that apply the dry flavorings with unmatched microscopic precision and efficiency. A fine atomized mist of the proprietary seasoning blend is continuously sprayed onto the chips as they tumble gently inside these enormous modern flavor drums. The chip's unique saddle shape actually assists in catching and holding the seasoning mixture, ensuring consistent, intense flavor delivery with every single piece. This seasoning process is tightly monitored by advanced optical sensors to guarantee every chip receives the exact same standardized quantity of flavor powder. The speed and efficiency of the specialized seasoning system are remarkable, coating thousands of individual chips every single minute with absolute consistency. The now seasoned Pringles are ready for the assembly phase, where they must be organized into their famously neat, vertically stacked configuration for containment. This requires a marvel of mechanical choreography, as the randomly placed chips must be precisely channeled and gently aligned into single-file lanes for stacking. Gravity and a series of vibrating, precisely angled conveyor lanes guide the chips into perfectly vertical orientations, preparing them for the primary stacking robot. High-speed, highly sensitive robotic arms then gently pick up a precise number of chips, typically 98, forming the familiar, tightly packed column shape effortlessly. This precise number guarantees the stack perfectly fits the container volume, avoiding damage and maintaining the structural integrity of the entire column during transit. The massive machines execute this complex, repetitive task with stunning speed and flawless mechanical grace, generating towering stacks across the immense factory floor. Simultaneously, the iconic signature tubular cans crafted from layers of specialized cardboard and foil liner are formed and rapidly assembled in an adjacent area. These cylindrical containers are engineered to be extremely durable and must provide the necessary structural support to protect the delicate stacked chips within. Vast rolls of the complex packaging material feed into colossal forming machines that seamlessly wrap, seal, and attach the metal bottom closure at dizzying speeds. Hundreds of empty cans are instantaneously propelled along dedicated conveyor tracks, aligning precisely with the perfectly stacked columns of newly manufactured chips. The robotic assembly units, utilizing advanced pneumatic systems, then delicately insert the tall, fragile stack of Pringles directly into the awaiting rigid container. This synchronized placement requires absolute accuracy at a high velocity, ensuring the entire stack is successfully seated without any single chip breaking upon entry. Immediately following the insertion, a special aluminum foil membrane is hermetically sealed across the can's upper rim, locking in the freshness and vibrant flavor. This critical freshness seal acts as a protective barrier, preventing moisture contamination and preserving the intended crispness until the consumer finally opens the package. A high-speed robotic arm then precisely attaches the distinctive plastic lid, creating the secondary reusable seal that gives the container its unmistakable profile. The sheer throughput of this packaging line is mesmerizing. Thousands of finished sealed cans are moving past the workers' stations every single hour of the day. Next, the fully assembled cans enter the high-speed labeling stage, where custom-printed sleeves of glossy paper are wrapped and affixed with impressive accuracy. Specialized glue nozzles apply a minute, precise amount of adhesive, ensuring the label adheres flawlessly to the cylindrical surface without any bubbling or distortion. High-resolution cameras scrutinize every single label application, quickly detecting and automatically rejecting any cans that display wrinkles, tears, or misalignment issues. The modern machinery employs advanced vision systems that are capable of executing quality checks faster and more reliably than any human worker possibly could. The dizzying pace of the entire automated process is truly a sight to behold, a perfectly choreographed ballet of advanced engineering and immense material flow. In preparation for bulk shipment, the individual labeled cans are rapidly sorted and expertly organized into precise arrays corresponding to different box specifications. Automated case packers utilize complex robotic grippers to gently pick up the correct number of cans and precisely place them into pre-formed cardboard shipping boxes. These enormous machines operate with relentless efficiency, seamlessly transitioning from wrapping a single can to constructing a large, stable, multi-unit shipment box. Following the packing, the cardboard boxes are automatically sealed with high-strength adhesive tape, providing robust protection for the product during long-distance transit. Each completed box is instantaneously marked with a unique machine-readable barcode and a precise timestamp, providing complete traceability back to the exact production line. The integrated quality control systems within this mega factory are continuous and multi-layered, ensuring only flawless products ever leave the highly regulated facility. Advanced weight check machines are positioned strategically along the final conveyor line, measuring every single finished can with microgram sensitivity for strict compliance. Any can failing to meet the precise, highly regulated net weight specification, indicating an underfill or overfill, is automatically diverted and immediately removed from the flow. Sophisticated optical inspection systems constantly scan the surface of the chips, searching for any signs of defects, discoloration, or inconsistent seasoning coverage distribution. Specialized sensors monitor the subtle nuances of the chip's golden color, instantly comparing it to a digitally stored perfect reference shade to ensure product consistency globally. The technology detects microscopic cracks, improper folding, or any structural imperfections that could compromise the signature crispness and mouthfeel that is expected. Furthermore, high-powered metal detectors are deployed at the end of the line, guaranteeing that absolutely no foreign metallic materials have inadvertently entered the final product container. This immense machine utilizes powerful magnetic induction fields to instantaneously identify and isolate any contaminated can with incredible speed and unwavering reliability. Critical temperature and humidity readings are also continuously logged throughout the entire production cycle to guarantee optimal chip freshness and structural rigidity. Highly trained technicians perform routine random physical audits, manually pulling cans for sensory evaluation, checking for the perfect snap and expected intense flavor profile. These rigorous sensory tests are vital for validating the automated systems, ensuring the human experience of the snack perfectly matches the highly specific technical standards. The air pressure within the can is also verified, confirming the integrity of the critical foil seal and the overall freshness and shelf life of the packaged potato snack. Data gathered from these relentless round-the-clock QC checks are continuously fed back into the central manufacturing control system, instantly allowing for real-time adjustments. This continuous feedback loop ensures the highest possible standard is maintained, reacting instantly to production variables before any widespread quality issues can ever materialize. Only after passing every single checkpoint with absolutely zero deviation are the now fully boxed products permitted to move on to the very last stage of this magnificent operation. The sealed shipping cases are rapidly conveyed into the colossal staging area where automated guided vehicles silently await to move the product to the storage warehouse. Massive towering palletizers then take the individual boxes and systematically stack them into uniform, stable, large-scale transportable units towering high above the factory floor. The immense machine stacks hundreds of boxes per hour, utilizing precise mathematical algorithms to ensure maximum density and total stability for global shipment across oceans and roads. Once a towering stack is complete, it is tightly secured with durable plastic wrapping film, protecting the valuable cargo from any potential shifting or environmental damage. These formidable wrapped pallets of product represent countless hours of complex, high-speed precision manufacturing and immense material investment in this single massive structure. The automated storage system here is equally mesmerizing, utilizing complex racks that reach literally dozens of stories into the air for immense storage capacity. Driverless robotic cranes navigate the massive warehouse aisles, silently picking up and dropping off the towering pallets with incredible speed and impressive navigational accuracy. The warehouse inventory management is entirely digitized, allowing for instantaneous location and retrieval of any palletized product based on its specific flavor and production date. This logistical precision minimizes holding time and ensures that the freshest possible product is always the first to be retrieved for shipment to consumers around the world. The scale of this operation demands flawless logistics planning, coordinating the internal movement of millions of units every single day within this huge facility's footprint. When an order is received, the high-tech system instantly triggers the automated retrieval sequence, dispatching the autonomous vehicles to the designated storage location immediately. These highly specialized computerized machines transport the newly retrieved full pallets directly to the huge loading docks for prompt movement to market. At the loading bay, massive tractor trailers and specialized shipping containers are lined up, representing the final link in this truly immense global supply chain network. Skilled forklift operators working in tight synchronization with the automated systems then expertly load the vast quantities of packaged snacks onto the waiting trucks. Each truckload represents a significant volume of production capable of carrying hundreds of thousands of individual Pringles cans destined for diverse retail environments globally. The dispatch process itself is tightly scheduled and optimized to ensure rapid, just-in-time delivery to various regional distribution centers and major international ports. Specialized climate controls inside the shipping containers maintain optimal temperature and humidity levels, safeguarding the structural integrity of the delicate chips during extended transit. From this incredible high-tech manufacturing hub, the perfectly formed seasoned snacks embark on their long journey to grocery store shelves in every corner of the planet. The massive capacity of this single factory demonstrates the relentless global demand for this uniquely designed saddle-shaped potato and rice-based crispy snack product. The entire continuous process from the dried potato flakes entering to the final, sealed pallet leaving is a powerful showcase of modern high-volume industrial engineering prowess. It is a magnificent, synchronized mechanical dance perfectly balancing the enormous scale of production with the essential requirements of minute precision and product uniformity. Every single chip produced adheres flawlessly to the exact, highly regulated specifications established by the corporation, guaranteeing a consistent experience worldwide every time. The efficiency achieved by this combination of robotics, advanced automation, and sophisticated sensor technology is a true benchmark in the high-speed food processing industry. This relentless dedication to manufacturing excellence ensures that the beloved hyperbolic paraboloid chip maintains its distinctive shape and unforgettable, satisfying crunch. The sheer volume of material moving through these massive machines 24 hours a day, 7 days a week is truly staggering to observe firsthand on the factory floor. This facility doesn't just make chips. It continuously generates an immense stream of precisely engineered, perfectly packaged, globally desired, high-quality consumer products. The modernity of the machinery allows for incredibly quick changeovers between different flavors, minimizing downtime and maximizing the critical production throughput capacity. Witnessing the dizzying speed at which raw ingredients are transformed into a consumer-ready package is an inspiring demonstration of human and mechanical collaboration working flawlessly. The logistics challenge of sourcing, manufacturing, and distributing this colossal volume of product globally is a monumental year-round operational task requiring extreme coordination. Thousands of dedicated people and advanced computer systems work tirelessly in perfect harmony to maintain this breathtaking continuous flow of high-velocity snack production. This is truly a mega factory of the highest order where technological innovation meets the massive scale requirements of the modern international packaged food marketplace effectively. The precision engineering of the specialized molds ensures that every chip stacks perfectly inside its container, a tiny but vital detail for minimizing shipping damage and maximizing volume. Without this structural genius of the Pringle shape, packaging this volume of fragile snacks efficiently for global transport would be an entirely impossible logistical feat. Every element from the powdered ingredients to the automated pallet wrapping has been meticulously optimized for speed, incredible scale, and absolute operational efficiency throughout the entire cycle. As the colossal loading bay doors close on the last truck, another batch of materials is already being fed into the enormous mixers, commencing the manufacturing process all over again. The rhythmic hum of the high-precision machinery is the constant underlying symphony of relentless automated production, operating tirelessly inside this immense facility. This operation is a definitive symbol of the modern industrial landscape where automation dictates the pace and massive scale consistency defines the ultimate measure of success. The entire factory stands as a magnificent, sprawling monument to the power of standardized engineering and continuous process improvement in the consumer food industry sector. From the initial grain of dry potato flake to the final pallet loaded onto the interstate carrier truck, the journey is an undeniable, spectacular masterclass in mega manufacturing. We have witnessed the highly sophisticated creation of the perfect potato chip, engineered for maximum stackability, flawless flavor adherence, and optimal transport volume utilization. The sheer speed and complexity of turning a simple powder into millions of uniform curved packaged chips is a stunning, overwhelming spectacle of industrial performance. The enormous output from this single location fuels consumer demand for Pringles across continents, demonstrating the immense importance of centralized high-volume production facilities. Every single step executed with unwavering mechanical precision and incredible velocity contributes to the creation of the final structurally sound, delicious snack product. Thank you for joining us on this mesmerizing journey deep inside the inner workings of this advanced facility where every perfect shape begins and ends with complex automation. This colossal operation ensures that the legendary stack of crisps arrives on your store shelf, ready to deliver that satisfying, iconic pop and crunchy, flavorful experience globally.